Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is the length of Pakistan border with India? Option C 2912 kilometer. What is the length of Pakistan border with Iran? Option B 909 kilometer. What is the length of Pakistan border with China? Option B 530 kilometer. Which countries have historical tension over their shared border? Option B Pakistan and Afghanistan. Which region is a point of dispute between Pakistan and India? Option A Kashmir. What separates Pakistan from Tajikistan? Option A Wakhan Corridor. What is the name of the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan? Option A Durand Line. Which country share Pakistan's southwestern border? Option A Option B Iran. Which country share Pakistan western border? Option A Afghanistan. Which river is the longest river in Pakistan? Option A Indus River. What was the main objective of the similar deputation? Option A to demand separate electorate for Muslims. Who was the founder of the Aligarh movement? Option A Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Which university is the oldest university in Pakistan? Option A University of the Punjab. Education. What is the literacy rate of Pakistan? Option B 60%. Which country is Pakistan's largest trading partner? Option A China. Which industry is the backbone of Pakistan economy? Agriculture. Which Pakistani festival is celebrated to mark the birth or day of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Option A Eid Miladun Nabi. What was the main demand of the Muslim League in the 1940? Separate homeland for Muslim. Option A. Who was the leader of the Muslim League in the 1946 election? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Option A. What is the national sport of Pakistan? Option B. Hockey. Which province is the largest province of Pakistan by area? Option D. Balochistan. What is the national animal of Pakistan? Option A. Markhor. The Lahore Resolution was passed in which year? 23 March 1940. Option A. Who was the Mughal emperor when the British East India Company established its presence in India? Option B. Jahangir. Which province is the largest province of Pakistan by population? Punjab. What is the name of the traditional Pakistani musical instruments? Option D. All of the above. Sitar, tabla, dolak. Which country is the Pakistan closest ally? Option A. China. Pakistan is a member of which international organization? Option D. All of the above. SARC, ECOOIC. Which border is the shortest for Pakistan? China-Pakistan border is the shortest border of Pakistan.